Hey there. Welcome to Milo's Home Bike Shop. I thought today I would just go through some of the tools, the basic tools that I've accumulated over some time. I have not paid a lot for most of these tools, but they're very bike specific tools. And then I have some tools that you probably already have, so you don't need to get those. And I'll give you some costs on what, of the bike specific tools, what I paid for them, and give you some idea of what some of the things you can get, and some of the things that you do need to get to be able to work on bicycles at home. So stick around and let me show you what I got. So first off, I want to show you some tools that I carry with me all the time when I'm on my bike. Here I have a tire patch kit. I have the spoke tools. Here's a little container I have that has a valve stem tool, some extra caps, a patch kit, and some more tire levers in it. A small set of hex wrenches, all in millimeter increments from 2 millimeter all the way up to 6. Those can get me through most of the repairs I would need to do while I'm out. I also carry a Leatherman Bond with me, because you never know if you're going to need a pair of pliers or a screwdriver or something like that. So I carry, this gives me that range of tools within it. Now for the home shop, I have a good set of hex wrenches. These are all in metric, variety of sizes on them, as you can see. I got this and the standard set off of Amazon for about $10. I have to admit, this is one tool I have not used yet. I'm not sure what it's for. Hopefully one of these days we will find out. This here is a tool used for pulling the crank arms off of the bottom bracket. And I've used this once already, and it works quite well. And it comes with a wrench. It has the spade end on it so that you can pull the cap off of the crank arm set. Here I have, this is for it's a spoke wrench used when truing tires. One of my next investments will be a truing stand, so this will get a lot more use then. But you can turn the spokes and get the tire to run a little bit more in a straight line, and I'll show you a lot more of that once I get the truing stand. This here is a quick link removal, or quick link pliers, and it's for your chain. There will be a quick link on there. If not, you should put one on, because this will make it easier to take the chain on and off of the bicycle. This here is for removing cassettes from the wheel, and this, along with this here, this one is actually for use on free hubs. Free hubs, these two are used on free wheels. No, free hubs, this one is used on the free wheel. There is a difference in them, so you need different sets of tools. This here is for bottom brackets, which you probably will not use at all, but it came in the set. I have it. It's in all these tools that have orange handles. I bought those at the same time off of Amazon. I think I spent $25, maybe $30 on those. So this one came with a chain brake tool, and I think I spent $15 on that set. So then we move on to, well, adjustable wrench. And you probably already have this at home, but it's nice to have it because on things like these tools here, you can grab onto the tool with the adjustable wrench and use it. Mine is from Snap-on. I used to work for a company where we had a lot of mechanics, so hey, you know, I visited the Snap-on truck. Yeah, I paid a little bit more, but I've got a lifetime warranty on it, and it was worth it to me at the time. Another thing is to have a nice set of wire cutters and crimpers. All your cable ends, you might need to cut the wire, and you may need to put the cable end on it and crimp it down. So these are very nice to have. This here came along with that other set with the orange handles. This is it's a wrench that has three different sizes on it, mostly used for pedals. And it's nice to have because if you ever want to change out your pedals, you have the pedal wrench. So that's really basically all of the hand tools that I use. Now, one other thing I got, and it was about $59 on Amazon, is I got a bike stand. I have done work on the past on them, as we all have, turned the bike upside down and put it on a table or on the ground or whatever. But having a bike stand is a little bit nicer. Get the bike up in the air, but it's portable. So of course, where I live at night, I can't leave things out, so it folds up and I can take it inside. And comes with a tray on it, so that way when you're working on stuff, you can put stuff in the tray. And if you have extra parts in the tray when you're done, you forgot to put something in there, and you need to go back and figure out what it is. I have not done that yet, and so that's why the tray is empty. But yes, having a good bike stand, and for $55 or $59, it's well worth it. Makes working on bicycles a lot easier. So there you have it. For less than $100, you can have all the tools you need to maintain a bike. Heck, actually, to maintain it, you can probably do it for under $25. You want to do some modifications, upgrades, really work on them, you're going to spend a little bit more. But for right now, I can actually do a lot of breakdown on a bike and fix it, and I've got about $100 worth of tools to do it with. So don't be intimidated by the tools. As we go along, I'll show you how they're used. And there are a lot of other channels out there that they do the same thing, but you know what? One more, it's not going to hurt anybody. My next video, I'm just going to be doing a simple upgrade on this bike here. I'll show you about that. It's a simple little upgrade, and you don't need much in the way of tools, and it should be a lot of fun. Have a great day.